Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to unbox Regular Run Deluxe Grab Bag number 4. So, if you're wondering why I'm doing all these unboxings, it's because I'm prototyping new patterns, and I need time to do that. And somebody on the board asked if these grab bags were worth it, because they're a little pricey. And this one's supposed to come with like $360 worth of Regular Run merchandise. So we'll see. We'll see. We're going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, bring things out one at a time, and then you can decide for yourself. Now this is a really big box. It won't fit in my area here. It's a really big box. I hope that means I got some really good stuff. But we'll see. Okay. First is this Rocking Horse Christmas ornament. Yeah, he's cute. I'm not going to take him out of the box because it's not Christmas yet. So I'll just hold him off until it is Christmas. So we got that. So we got this Morgan stablemate in black. Series number 1. There was only 6 in series number 1. So we got the Morgan. And then we got the Frisian cross. The Frisian. He's kind of pretty. I don't know if I want to take him out or not. And then we have the paint, also from that same series 1. So I got the 3 stablemates. Please don't run away. Got a Just About Horses magazine. So that'll be fun to go through. I don't know if I got one this year. This one was from 2018, so it's one I don't have yet, so that'd be cool. Unicorn Crazy, Series 4. I did a whole box of these and it wasn't that. Let's see, legs together. Fancy tail. It's probably that one right there. Yeah, it's that one. It's that white one. Sorry about the cat. Oh, a jigsaw puzzle. Wow. That could be fun. 500-piece jigsaw puzzle. That's pretty cool. Oh, we got another one from Series 1. Wow, he's pretty. That's really pretty. So that's a 5 of the 6. That'll go good with my stablemate collection. I don't know who this is. Let's see. Do not open with a sharp object. It's gotta be one of the special run stablemates. Moonbeam. Fairy Tale Friends Club. So another unicorn. Let's see what we got here. I'm not into fantasy horses, so I have to look this guy up. Oh, wow. So it's 2 for 1. That's interesting. A Mini Winnie. Oh, that's kind of cute. And then This is all the small stuff first. It's all on top. I'll just the bigger stuff here in a little bit. So, another purple unicorn. Huh. I'm not a big unicorn fan. So, that's okay. Let's get them back in the bag. Apparently paper is a cat toy. They're playing with the paper from the box. Okay. Okay, so we got this painting set of all these translucent. That's kind of cute. Huh. Ah, another paint your horse. That's pretty cool. These are those little bits. They don't actually sell those anymore, but you can paint them. This is Ideal Quarter Horse in Palomino. All right. I don't know if you want to see me take him out of the box. He's actually pretty cool. That's really nice. That's some really nice paint there. Maybe I'll take him out in a bit. See what else we got. All right. Pitch Merle. So it looks like that was a special run from a while back. Wow, this is like Christmas. Another bag. More tape. Oh, wow, he's nice. Oh, that's a good one. What model is this? What mold? That's nice. Well, he's nice. Bearfest 2021. Okay. He's cool. I can do stuff with him. Ugh. Cats. That's nice. He's nice. Oh, okay. That's a good one. He's a good one. I like him. Let's see. I have to find room for these. My office starting to bust at the seams. Cats don't care. Hope. Yeah, this is that Hope model. She'd like to knock a few more things down, Chester. Hope of the year. So, I mean, that's nice. She's nice, very glossy. Alright. Apparently wasn't a very popular model because it's in the grab bag. Oh god, another unicorn. I'm just not a unicorn fan. If I did bodies, that would be a body I could work on for, you know, repainting, but I haven't done that in a long time. Oh yeah, I could see me using this a lot, right? Well, I have a granddaughter. Maybe one day she'll wanna do the main beauty. So yeah, that's not my thing. And the last one, I don't know who this is. I have a Bearfest one. Kind of like the puzzle. Right? Find time to do the puzzle. I'm always adding to my stablemate collection. Never have them all. You'll never have them all. Let's see who this is. So it's in one of those boxes. Oops. So it's in one of these boxes. It's got to be some kind of, I don't know, special run. All this tape just sticks on everything. All right. Who is he? Huh. I don't know who he is. Who is he? It's I don't know what year that is. So he's I love the chocolate sorrel. If he had dapples, then I'd be totally in love. I always like the Black Beauty mold too, so that's kind of nice. I don't know who this guy is. He doesn't have any special markings. I have a number, inventory number on the box. No certificate. So I have to look him up. Okay, so for me, I mean, I'm not into unicorns, so that kind of was a waste for me. Doesn't mean I can't find something to do with it. She's really pretty, but I'm not really into decorators, so that was kind of a waste for me. She's very pretty, though. I always loved that mold. Like I said, if I was doing bodies, she would be a good one to paint. Christmas ornament was cool. I don't have a lot of ornaments for my tree. I kind of just got rid of all that. For a while we weren't even having Christmas because nobody would help me with it. I was the only one doing anything. So I think I have 4 ornaments for the tree. And the tree's only 3 feet tall, so it doesn't need a ton. These guys are cool. I guess I should open them up. They're not probably... I could even leave them in the package for now, unless I decide to show them. I suppose with 2 of these for painting, I could start my remake career. They're kind of cool just like that. These guys might be fun. Jigsaw puzzle. I do like doing puzzles, so that's pretty cool. I'm not sure. This was a special run. I have to look into these guys. Like I said, I wasn't really very big on unicorns, so it's not something. I mean, it's a stablemate. I could keep it, I guess. So there's 3 that I'm happy about. This guy's cool. I could put tack on him. I have before on the Black Beauty model. Bridal path isn't as open as I like it to be, but that's fine. Not sure what to do with this guy. I mean, he's just a regular run. So we can't just take a better look at him. So they did a lot of this Ideal Quarter Horse series. They've been doing it for a long time now. Oh, there goes the box. There goes the box. I don't collect boxes. So if I'll sell them, it would be without box. I may have to, so I'm getting a lot of models. I don't know. That's a gorgeous color. I could definitely see putting a parade saddle on him. At times when the setup isn't just I used to collect boxes. I had a whole trunk full of boxes. And then the glue stopped working. So they were all falling apart. The windows weren't attached anymore. So I finally just got rid of them. So when I clip them, there's a sharp edge. And what I like to do is get that sharp edge away from the model. Yeah, he'd look good in a silver saddle. A black and silver saddle. That'd be so cool. I mean, he's actually, for a regular run, he's really very well done. It's very pretty, and that color is just actually pretty stunning. That gold, almost copper, like a penny, a brand new penny. That's a true Palomino. So that's, you know, like the color of a golden penny. Okay, he's okay. I'm okay with him. The magazine. I'll be reading that later on tonight. So he's definitely tag friendly. Those are the three that I, and the magazine, and the Christmas ornament. I think this guy was worth it. Getting him was cool. I don't know if I would have bought him. I mean, he's a good trail horse. I could see him leading a mule, do a scene, you know, and he would be leading a mule and with a pack saddle, and so I could see that. I could see that. Because he'll take a saddle nice and a bridle. Really good. So, yeah, I'm okay with him. I think they fixed him. See the one I think he is? Because see that split tail? I'll look him up. Okay, well, I hope that helps answer the question of whether a grab bag is worth it or not. But it answered the question for me. It's okay. I don't know if I would do it again. The price wasn't too bad. It was only $200. And it's like I'm getting rid of, you know, stuff. Just throw it in there. Give it a home. I don't know. Should I find out if I'm right or not? Because it's not that one. The tail is wrong. The name is wrong. The legs are wrong. You see me go into a retail store and just checking out all the bags to see if they have that special one anywhere. Alright, let's see if I'm right. There we go. Oh, how about this guy? Well, same mold, different color. So, yeah, it's him in pink. So, I was right. Okay, so look this guy up, and this is the, it's Breyer breeds sport horse. Breyer sport horse. I don't think of him as a sport horse, but that's what he was. Liver chestnut, and he was a website exclusive for 2022. And right now, somebody's got one up for sale on eBay for $38. So, not worth much. It probably cost $50 originally. So, that's him. And see what people are asking for this guy. Somebody's asking $80 for this guy. New in box. You know, I don't collect boxes, so, and shipping in box is so expensive. It adds an extra pound. There's this guy. John Henry is the model. $80. So that's another $80. So 160 plus another 30. He might go up in value. And this guy, he might, I don't know. He's so basic, even though he's really pretty. And there's that Hope models. So there's more than $200 worth. It's just going to be hard to sell it. Time for me to go read my magazine. Thanks for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have a good day.